Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for your 3i S10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop with water recycling. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, download the 3i app. You can scan the QR code in your user guide and manual or search the iOS or Android App Store. Download the app, sign in or create your account, and then we can get this set up. Once you're in the app, you'll be on this screen where you want to add a device by selecting the big purple button. We're prompted to scan a QR code. You may or may not have one right here on your vacuum somewhere, maybe even on the station. In our case, we're going to add it manually. So we're going to choose our product here. We're going to select the S10 Ultra. We can select Allow. Now we have to reset the Wi-Fi, so press and hold the network button for 3 seconds until we hear a voice prompt.
Reset Wi-Fi to enter network configuration mode.
We just got the voice prompt. You'll notice that the light is blinking now and has changed. Select Next. Now we're taken to this screen where we're prompted to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Go ahead, make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network just to eliminate any possible issues. It doesn't mention if you have to be, but that's always best practice. So select your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, enter your password, then select Next. Now it's going to work on adding the device. Going through a couple of different options here, giving us the updates in real time. Just got another voice prompt letting us know it's connecting and to wait. Just got the voice prompt, connection succeeded. The app has now since changed over and we're on our main home screen. So that's it, guys. Very simple and straightforward to get your 3i S10 Ultra set up with the 3i mobile app. It'll take you at the most a couple of minutes.